children, today we are going to start with chapter 3, that is India, physical division. So in this chapter, we will study about physical division of India. We will study about Himalayan mountain, northern plains, peninsular plateau, great Indian desert, coastal plain and Iceland. So as you know that Ruby is traveling from New Delhi. She's traveling from New Delhi to Chennai via train. She is sitting at a window seat viewed to a fields outside. Larger flatlands, greenfield and small hillocks, brown rugged rocky land and the land forms kept changing in front of her eyes. So in this class, you will study about different landforms. Here you can see, here lies your Himalayan mountains. This is your northern plains, right? This is Great Indian Desert, that is Thar Desert, right? These are western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. And what is this? This is Deccan Plateau, which is triangular in shape, right? And this is Iceland, that is Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island. So, you will be surprised to know that one can see most of these landforms in India. India has a high mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, coastal plains and islands. It has also many rivers and lakes. In the southern part, if we talk about, it is surrounded by seas and ocean on three sides. You can imagine how beautiful our country is, which is located in where? In the southern part of Asia. India is the seventh largest and your second most populated country in the world. The mainland of India stretches from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, and it's covered a distance of what? 3,200 kilometers. It stretches from Gujarat in the west or Arunachal Pradesh in the east, covering about 3,000 kilometers. जो आपका गुजरात जो वेस्ट में और अरुणाचल प्रदेश के बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है वो 3,000 किलोमीटर. So let's study about the physical division over here. So we can divide it into six physical part on the basis of its landform, and these are called physical division. We have Great Himalaya. Let's study about the first Great Himalayan mountain range. So the northern frontier of India is bordered by Himalayan mountains, right, Ray? And the highest mountain range in the world, most of the highest mountain peak of the world are located in the Himalaya. And they remain what? Snow covered. ये क्या कहते हैं? बर्फ से घिरे होते हैं थ्रू आउट द ईयर. और जो वर्ल्ड की हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक है वो है माउंट एटेक्स, दैट इज इन नेपाल. एंड वी हैव मेनी बिग रिवर्स लाइक गंगा, यमुना, ब्रह्मपुत्र एंड इंडस. फ्रॉम वेयर डज इट ओरिजिनेट? फ्रॉम हिमालयस. Many hill stations like Shimla, श्रीनगर, गुलमर्ग एंड मसूरी, दे आर लोकेटेड इन द सैंड. और जो फुट हिल्स है हिमालयस के वो किससे कवर्ड होते हैं? विद टॉल ग्रासेस. एंड व्हाट वी कॉल दीज टॉल ग्रासेस रीजन? दैट इज सराई रीजन. So Tenzing, Norway, Edmund Hillary was the first to reach the Mount Everest. Right? Then we have northern plains over here. What are northern plains? It is a vast stretch of plains towards what? South of Himalaya. And think of northern plains कहते हैं. They are made up of fine silt brought down by the river Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Tansuka. ये रीजन बहुत ज्यादा फर्टाइल होता है एंड द फार्मर्स ग्रो वैरायटी ऑफ फूड क्रॉप इन दिस प्लेस. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू rim. To the south of northern plains like peninsular plateau. If we talk about the southern part of peninsular plateau, उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Deccan Plateau. This is the area which is triangular in shape. इसका जो slope है वो west to east होता है. And most of the rivers in this region, its flow from west to east. Right? Except river Narmada and Tapi, major river found in this region, waters include Krishna, Kaveri and Godavari, right? So Godavari is called what? Ganga of the south, and this plateau surrounded by hilly ranges. जिनको हम ईस्टर्न घाट्स कहते हैं जो ईस्टर्न साइड पे होता है, वेस्टर्न घाट्स जो वेस्टर्न साइड. राइट. नेक्स्ट इज ग्रेट इंडियन डेजर्ट, दैट इज थार डेजर्ट. सो इट कवर्स लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ राजस्थान. यहाँ पे आपको सैंड्स और रॉक देखने को मिलेंगे. Due to very low rainfall, there is a great scarcity of water. Only a few bushy plants are found there, like cactus, babool, akaki. Let's study about the coastal plain. The southern part of India is peninsula. It is surrounded by water on three sides. To the south of India, what does it lie? Indian Ocean. West में Arabian Sea. East में आपका Bay of Bengal. And the eastern side of peninsula is skirted by eastern bushveld. Or western side, western coastal plain. Let's talk about the islands now. Basically, we have two groups of islands, that is Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands. अंडमान एंड निकोबार आपका बे ऑफ बंगाल में लाई करता हो, लक्षद्वीप आपका अरेबियन सी, right? This was all about the Iceland that I have told you. Hope you understood all the physical features. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.